Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Suiman token. Now the Suiman token is trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener in the Sui section. Really big 24-hour trading volume, really big market cap. Obviously this token is on the Sui blockchain, if you couldn't tell by the name of the token. And these, Sui tokens right now, meme coins, very popular. Tron had a couple of weeks there where Tron tokens were super popular. And then now it seems to be Sui's turn. All eyes on Sui. If you look at the new pairs section on DEX Screener, there's a mix between Ethereum, Solana, which have been popular for a while, and now Sui. It has a whole lot of spots in the new pairs section on DEX Screener, and that will tell you that, the Sui blockchain is pretty popular right now. And we're going to go over the information on the Suiman token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find the token I'm talking about. So it is at Suiman Meme on Twitter on x.com. You can see on their Twitter right there, they do have a link to their Telegram at Suiman Portal. And then their webpage is right there as well, suiman.xyz. Now they just joined Twitter in June 2024. 2,839 followers so far. It says Suiman is a meme token on Sui from the Sui multiverse. 83 tweets, blue verified check mark. And in their pinned tweets, they have the contract address. They have basically a full link tree. It's got the Telegram portal. It's also got a chart link to Bird Eye. So you can see the chart on Bird Eye. You could see it on DEX Screener. So that's where I saw it trending number 3 on DEX Screener. It was just trending number 2, a few minutes ago. And you could also find this token on CoinGecko. So there's many places that you could see the chart along, and you can see the price and holders and stuff like that on the Suiscan as well. So Suiscan, Bird Eye, DEX Screener, CoinGecko, all different places to view statistics on this token. And contract address right in the pinned tweet right there. So if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Sui tokens. And there's actually a decent amount of wallets that you could use for a Sui tokens. Some popular ones is just called the Sui wallet, or there's Suiet. There's many other options as well, but you could download either one of those from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get an extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sui. Now you could fund it with Sui from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with Sui, go into the dApps, and according to DEX Screener, there is a pool on Cetus. Now that is spelled C-E-T-U-S, and there's $95,000 in that pool there. Now there may be another pool in Bluemove, which is another DEX for Sui tokens, but according to DEX Screener, Cetus has $95,000 liquidity pool. So you go into the dApps, find Cetus, and then using the contract address that you could find on their webpage or in their pinned tweet right there, you would trade your Sui for the Suiman token. It is that easy. So according to their Suiscan here, it says that they have a market cap of $1,381,580. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $3,412,606. And right now, 11,459 holders. So that is a lot of holders. They have a max supply, total supply, and circulating supply of 1 billion Suiman tokens. So if you scroll through their tweets here, 83 tweets, lots of info on here, lots of updates and memes, and talking about how the chart's doing and things like that. There's almost more information on the Twitter than on the actual webpage. Now they actually do some Twitter spaces on here. They just did one 17 hours ago. So it says Twitter space today in 1 hour, set reminder. There'll be a lot of important information, so we are waiting for everyone. So you could check out that Twitter space there. Lots of info on there. And yeah, so it's trending number 3 still on Dex Screener. They've had 15,247 transactions. Token price is a little bit over a tenth of a penny. It is 0.0012 USD. Now they, let's see here. So this pair was actually just created on Cetus 1 day, 20 hours ago. So this is a brand new token here. It says Suiman is a meme token on the Sui blockchain, combining the fun of superhero vibes with the power of Sui. Powered by the community, it's a lighthearted tribute to crypto culture. Now, if you want to follow the Telegram at Suiman Portal, they have 304 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with the Twitter, like new token listings, if they get central exchange listings, announcements, partnerships, all that type of stuff. You're going to find that there. So according to CoinGecko, this token's up 24.8%, it says. And their webpage has a link to CoinGecko, Dex Screener, Twitter, Telegram, Buy Now button that will take you to hop.ag, which is another DEX. They do have a how to buy section. In case you didn't understand how I explained it, you could follow the steps on suiman.xyz. Suiman on his way to save crypto. You can copy the contract address. It says LP burned. It says 0% tax. So they show you how to choose a wallet to buy Sui, exchange for Suiman. All the steps are on their webpage. So check out this token. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.